Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the another accounting principles in our running chapter accounting principles. So this is also very important accounting principles. The whole accounting and accountancy subject is based on these principles, duality principles, or you can say the dual aspect principles. इट मीन्स ड्यूअलिटी मीन्स व्हाट द दोहरा यानी कि दोहरीकरण या फिर दोहरा. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस कॉन्सेप्ट एवरी ट्रांजेक्शन्स इज रिकॉर्डेड हैज़ हैविंग ए ड्यूअल ऑस्पेक्ट. यानी कि जो भी हम बिजनेस में ट्रांजेक्शन रिकॉर्ड करते हैं वो दो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. यानी कि दो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हम रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. कोई भी ट्रांजेक्शन वी आर गोइंग टू रिकॉर्ड, we will record on the dual aspect. We take the dual aspect of the every transaction. In the other word, if we say that the every transaction affect at least two accounts. So students, each and every transaction has the two aspect. Two aspects means if you are purchasing from someone goods, then someone is selling. ओके आप कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन करते हैं उसमें कोई एटलीस्ट टू पार्टीज इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. आप खुद से ना तो परचेज कर सकते हैं ना खुद को ही सेल कर सकते हैं. कोई भी ट्रांजैक्शन होगा उसमें दो पार्टी इन्वॉल्व होगा. या तो कोई बनाने वाला होगा या तो उसको फिर कोई ख़रीदने वाला होगा या बेचने वाला होगा, ख़रीदने वाला होगा. किसी का एक्सपेंस होगा तो किसी का इनकम होगा. तो वी कंसिडर इन द ड्यूअलिटी आस्पेक्ट ऑफ द बोथ द साइड ऑफ द both the aspect of the business transactions. In the other words, every transaction affect the two accounts. One account is the debit and the another account must be the credit. So for every debit there must be every credit. The system of recording the transaction based on this principle is called the double entry system. So according to the duality aspect, if we consider two aspects of the accounts while we are recording the transaction in the books of account, we are taking the two aspects of the account, one of the debit and one is the credit. So this system of recording the transaction in the books of account is known as the double entry system. So if we say the simply, for the every debit there must be the credit equal amount. For every debit there is a credit of the equal amount in one or the more accounts. Okay, and it also the vice versa. यानी कि for every credit there must be the a debit of the equal amount in one or the more accounts. So the balance, our balance sheet represent we prepare the balance sheet on the basis of the duality aspect. We take one side the assets and on the other side we take the liabilities plus capital या फिर capital plus claim of outsiders. So our preparation of the balance sheet is totally depend upon this concept duality aspect. You can say the duality principles. We follow the duality aspect in the each and every transaction of the each and every transaction whatever we are going to record in the books of account. Okay, so for the better understanding, when we will solve the practical question based on the journal entry, when we will solve the journal entry based on the duality aspect, we take we learn about the rules and the procedure to how to record the transaction in the books of account in the broad ways. So students, I hope that you got the topic and understand very well. So when when we will solve the practical question, I will try to explore very well. Okay.